Simple Learning. Welcome to Simple Learning.
Welcome, kids. Today, we are going to finish the pattern challenge. Let's do it together.
Hi, kids. Let's complete some puzzles. Are you ready? Let's get started. Complete this puzzle. Your time is up. 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 Great job! Let us know in the comments how many puzzles you solved before the time ran out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks!
Thanks for watching, friends. Like, share, and subscribe. I will catch up in the next video.